Association is not necessarily causation. You may have heard this before, but what exactly does it mean? Let's look at an example. Suppose a teacher offers free tutoring for those who want it. Some choose tutoring and some don't. At the end of the semester, the group that went to tutoring earned higher grades on the final exam. Does this show that the tutoring caused higher grades? No. This only shows that tutoring is associated with higher grades, but does not prove that tutoring causes higher grades. Because the teacher gave the students free choice whether they would attend tutoring or not. You may be wondering, why is free choice such a big deal? Because the students who chose to go to tutoring were likely more dedicated. They would have done better in the class even if the tutoring was terrible. In this case, tutoring and higher grades are associated, but we are not at all sure tutoring is causing higher grades. Association is not necessarily causation. You may be wondering, so how can we know when one thing is causing another? Good question. We have to do what is called an experiment, which means we're having two randomly chosen groups and forcing the two groups to do different things. No free choice allowed. Let's redo the tutoring study as an experiment. This time she splits the class in half at random, requiring one group to go to tutoring regularly and the other group will not be allowed to go to tutoring. At the end of the semester, if the tutoring group does better on the final, does this show that the tutoring causes higher grades? Yes. Because the groups were randomly chosen, there is no difference between the groups. Both groups probably have about the same number of stronger and weaker students. Therefore, the tutoring group doing better on the final proves that the tutoring caused better grades. So in conclusion, association is not necessarily causation. We can only prove causation with an experiment in which we choose two random groups and do not give them free choices, but require them to do different things.